What if I told you that there seems like a competition between the famous YouTubers and top musicians on YouTube, but almost nobody seems to have noticed it? This has been an interesting competition, but it is mostly being controlled by the YouTube algorithm. Have you ever wondered why famous YouTubers like MrBeast, after posting over 741 videos, has only managed to get 29 billion views? And PewDiePie with over 29 billion views too, after creating over 4,700 videos. But just take a look at Justin Bieber's channel. He has only posted 249 videos in total, but has gotten over 30 billion views, which is amazing. And when I try to find out which of them that makes more money, that's when the whole secret got exposed. And that's also when the whole story starts getting interesting. In this video, we will be talking about the kind of videos that YouTube algorithm favors more, how the YouTube platform operates, and the kind of video content that pays more. So let's dive into this interesting story, as I will be revealing to you some of the things you never knew about YouTube. One thing that is so crucial and seems to be very confusing on YouTube is the YouTube algorithm. And this is what controls every video on the YouTube platform. It is the algorithm that determines if a video should go viral or not. But the truth is, no one knows exactly how the algorithm operates, including those big channels with millions of views. That sounds weird, right? Let me explain. First of all, I want to ask you, have you ever seen a good video with small amount of views and you started wondering why the video didn't go viral? And on the other hand, have you ever watched a viral video and you started wondering why the video blew up in such a massive way? Good. That's where the competition between these great YouTubers and top musicians can come in. See, it's true we don't know perfectly well on how the YouTube algorithm works, but we do know much about the algorithm, including the reasons why some videos do go more viral than the others. Let's start with the case of MrBeast and PewDiePie, both having over 100 million subscribers. But when you check their most popular videos, as you can see here, MrBeast's most popular video made up to 463 million views, which is a lot. While PewDiePie's most popular video has gotten 315 million views, which is also very huge. And now let's compare it with the top musicians' channels. Here comes Blackpink, a musician with 19 million subscribers, having up to 2 billion views in one of her most popular videos. And also Justin Bieber with 71 million subscribers, and still he made over 3.6 billion views in his most popular video. You can see that with this analysis, one can easily observe that the YouTube algorithm is favoring the musicians more, which is true, and this will take us to the next chapter, the reasons why the algorithm is favoring the musicians more. The simple answer to this is because of their video content. The kind of videos they create is what actually makes the whole difference. If you go to MrBeast's channel and PewDiePie, you will see that they make videos about entrepreneurship and giveaway videos, vlogs and pranks, which is great, but can't be compared to music in terms of how interesting it could be to people. A lot of information, feelings and performances can be expressed in music. And that's why whenever you click on a music video, you will hardly click out the way you do on the other videos, because you have a lot to enjoy in a music video. The beat of the music, the lyric, the voice of the singer, the dancing steps of the dancers there, and even the performances of the musicians. All this will get you feeling emotional. Research has proven that most viral suggested videos on YouTube contain an emotional feelings. And this will make the viewers to watch the whole video to the end, and that's what the YouTube algorithm loves, so it pushes it then to the more wider audience. And for some of you who don't know, YouTube pays according to the number of views in a video and not on the number of subscribers one you have. This will make you think that these musicians make more money than MrBeast, right? Wrong. And this will take us to the next chapter, which is how much money does YouTube pay these creators. But before that, I want to officially thank you so much for watching this video to this level. I'm extremely grateful. I'm trying to build a strong community with my audience, so I would appreciate it more if we get connected on WhatsApp. Just click on the link in the description side of this video and you will get to join our WhatsApp TV. I hope to see you there soon, and now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to answer this. Between Mr. Beast and Justin Bieber, who do you think makes more money on YouTube? Well, according to a site called Social Blade, it is estimated that Justin Bieber makes between $42,000 to $683,000 monthly on ad revenue alone, while Mr. Beast makes between $310,000 to $5 million monthly on ad revenue. But Social Blade is not perfect in this estimation, so it can possibly give you a wrong answer. So now let's look into the YouTube policy itself on how they pay creators. Creators get paid in accordance with the kind of videos they create and not just on the number of views they get. YouTube has what is called CPM, and this simply means the amount of money that YouTube is paying creators per every 1,000 monetized views they get on their video. If your channel is about finances, technology, AI, luxurious lifestyle, and more other topics that can attract many wealthy people who are always ready to invest in business, then the CPM will be much higher. And on the other hand, if your channel is about entertainment, then the CPM will be lower. This is because a lot of people like entertainment. So this kind of channel can have a lot of random people as their viewers, including those who can barely feed, let alone paying for hours on a YouTube video. And YouTube understood this perfectly well, and that's why the entertainment niche is significantly lower than the other big niches. For instance, if YouTube decides to pay $4 for every 1,000 views on a music video, then they will pay up to $15 for every 1,000 views on a finance or tech video. So this proves that some channels like Mr. Beast will definitely make more money than most of the music channels. It is also very important to know that ad revenue is not the only means that YouTubers make their money. In fact, ad revenue is one of the smallest ways they make money on YouTube. They also make money through affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling digital products. And even in all these sources, YouTube channels like Mr. Beast are still in better position to earn more money than music channels like Justin Bieber. So in summary, I want you to know that I actually didn't make this video just to compare these creators. This video was made instead to give you some knowledge about YouTube. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Love you, pass, and bye for now.